Alright folks, back with the KTM 300XC. Put a decent amount of time on it. And I think it's time to do a little change up. Get rid of this this orange and I don't know, make it look a little bit cooler. In the rear I'm also going to put a mousse. I think the hardness on that is just medium. It's kind of a good all-around one. The front we're just going to keep a tube, and I'm going to swap out the front tire as well. So that, plastics all around, handguards, I don't know. And I think I also might ditch the rear taillight fender setup. Gonna keep the headlight, but this big thing, it's just too wonky hanging off the back. And I kinda broke 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 of these LEDs, at least 3 of them. So only part of the brake light / tail light works. We'll dive into that and then just do some other general maintenance like oil, and did the air filter just before yesterday's ride. So we're all set there, and this thing is going to turn out amazing, that's for sure. quit for the night, but I think instead of showing me put these on, I'm just gonna show you when this thing is done and looking like a beast. So see ya in a few minutes. Bam, look at that thing. This is just a badass bike now. Looks amazing. I can say one thing, this kit is absolutely lit and got some fresh tires. So what we did, first off, we'll start up top here. Just got rid of the stock bars. You know, the stockers are pretty much, they're just a little bit lower bend than what I have on here. These are the Pro Taper Evo Woods High. They give you just a little bit more, and that's going to help out. I am about 6'3", so that's going to help out just a little. Kind of gets be a pain when you're trying to stand up and ride. So I can at least use those bars on another build. These are the Fastway hand guards that were on there. Just removed the decal since they had orange on them. The graphics kit itself is from that place right there, Rival Inc. Made this kit a little bit custom. Added a lot more tan on here. This is actually the color of my Tacoma, so it's gonna even look more awesome in the back of my truck. I do have the you know, the Wild Moto logos there and over here. These are gonna be considered my my original logos, because I'm in the process of changing them up just a bit. Now with the tires, this is gonna be a huge upgrade. So I was just running the stock ones all summer. Tried my best to wear them out. What I got on here now is these guys right here. IRC IX09 Jakarta. In the rear is where it's gonna be a whole new ball game. IX09, and I got it paired with an SRT Offroad mousse. So if you know anything about those, or if you ran them, let me know. This is going to be my first time in all my years of riding that I'm going to be using a mousse. I think on this mousse it is like a medium stiffness, so it's not super soft and it's not super hard. Hopefully it is worth all the hype that I've heard about them. If you like this bike, let me know down below, and also check out Wild Moto on Instagram. I'll have a ton of awesome pictures of this thing. Yeah, that's all I got for you. Hopefully this kit holds up and I can be rocking this for quite a while. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.